Those who are beginner English speaker, please try to record yourself. Try to say something about any topic, about tree, road, anything. Try to say something. You can notice that it is helping you to improve your speaking English. Hello, this is me Ibrahim. Welcome back again to Describing by Ibrahim. Currently, I'm standing on a road. It is located in my village, and that is called New Road. But it was built more than 5 years ago, maybe in 2020. But still, people call it New Road. But maybe it looks like new. That's the reason I don't know why. And beside the road, if you notice, you can see many banana plants. They are growing very well. And beside the road has also a beautiful paddy field, and where people grow paddy. Maybe January to February they will grow paddy in this type of field. So to be honest, as an English learner, always try to say something in English so that I can improve my speaking English. So I always say that I'm not an English teacher, I'm an English learner. So as a journey of learning English, I always try to say something on a topic or about anything, and this time I can make mistake, and I make mistake. I have noticed that when I upload on social media, I noticed that I have done a mistake. Sorry, I have made a mistake. So that time I feel something very sad, but take it easy because I know that I'm a learner. I'm not a English speaker. I'm not a perfect English speaker. So take it easy. And I want to say those who are beginner English speaker, please try to record yourself. Try to say something about any topic, about tree, road, anything. Try to say something. You can notice that it is helping you to improve your speaking English, and it will also help you to develop your confidence. So don't feel shy, don't feel nervous. Why you are thinking about someone that they can criticize you if you make mistake? Please take it easy and keep doing that. Keep practicing, keep learning. I don't care that if someone criticizes me or not. People criticize, I take it easy. And if you look at the sky, the sun is setting, and maybe no, it has still at the sky, and I'm on a road, busy road, where now it is coming a van. So I'm having my time like this way and passing my time by saying something in English. And I always believe that if I try my best, if I practice every day, one day I will be a great English speaker. Inshallah, if Allah wants, I will be. But it is tough time when I try to practice English. But yeah, I have to practice. I have to say something in English. Otherwise, it would be impossible to improve my speaking English. So enjoy my beautiful village. It is located Gabbari, my awesome and wonderful village where I grew up. So amazing time, afternoon time, I'm having my beautiful time. And very soon the Muezzin will call to prayer. So I have to go home. And see you next time. See you next video. May Allah help you to improve your speaking English. Have a good day. Take care.